Navigating the world with a new baby is an adventure. A reliable stroller is a parent's best ally. It's not just about moving from point A to B. It's about doing so with ease, safety, and style. There are several types of strollers to choose from. Umbrella strollers are lightweight and perfect for quick trips. Travel systems offer a car seat that snaps into the stroller for seamless transitions. Jogging strollers are designed for active parents, featuring 3 wheels for stability at higher speeds. Double strollers accommodate twins or siblings close in age, while modular strollers can be customized to fit growing families' needs. When selecting a stroller, consider the lifestyle it needs to fit. For city dwellers, a compact, foldable stroller makes navigating crowded sidewalks and public transport easier. For those who love the outdoors, look for durable wheels and suspension systems. Adjustable handles ensure comfort for parents of different heights, while a spacious storage basket is a must for carrying essentials. Also, consider the ease of cleaning. Removable, washable fabrics can be a lifesaver. Safety is paramount. Always check for a sturdy frame, reliable brakes, and a 5-point harness. Look for certifications that indicate the stroller meets current safety standards. Remember to register the stroller with the manufacturer for recall notifications. Never hang heavy bags on the handles, as this can tip the stroller over. Choosing the right stroller can seem daunting, but it's all about finding the right fit for your family's lifestyle. With the right information and a clear understanding of your needs, you can make an informed decision.